Friends, this is Priyanka. Today we are going to solve a problem on hydrostatic forces on surfaces. So let us first understand what is the meaning of hydrostatic forces. Now here the forces applied by the static fluid, that is the fluid at rest on surfaces, is called as hydrostatic forces. Now these fluids may be in the form of liquid or gases. And now in these hydrostatic forces we are going to solve a problem on vertical plane surface submerged in liquid. So first I will read what is the given problem. Determine the total pressure on a circular plate of diameter 1.5 meter which is placed vertically in water in such a way that the center of plate is 3 meter below the free surface of water. Find the position of center of pressure also. So this was the given question. Now let us first understand the diagram as per the given data. Now here the vertical plane surface is in the form of circular plate and whose diameter is also given, and the condition is given that its center of gravity point is 3 meter below the free surface of water. So just we have to show here the middle point as the center of gravity point, and we have to show this distance from the free surface of water is 3 meter. Now we will apply the center point of the pressure. So here it is always below the center of gravity, and the distance we will consider that will be h dash. That is the distance from the free surface of water for the point of application of the pressure, total pressure on the surface. So now we will move for the first question. That means first question is that we have to calculate the total pressure. So what is the meaning of this total pressure? That is the force exerted by the static fluid on the surface when the surface is in contact with the fluid. So here the fluid is liquid that we have to take, and static means what? This liquid is in the form of rest. That means there is no any relative motion in between layers. So what is the formula that we have to use? So we have to use the formula F is equal to rho G A into H bar. So what is the rho? That is density of water, that is 1000 kilogram per meter cube. Then G 9.81, A area. So what is the area of this circular plate? So here its diameter is given. So D is equal to 1.5 meter. So we have to calculate the area. So A is equal to pi by 4 D square, that means pi by 4 into 1.5 square, which is equal to 1.767. So that is the area. And what is this H bar? So H bar is the distance from the free surface of water for the center of gravity. So it is directly given in the question, that is H bar is equal to 3 meter. So we will directly take H bar is equal to 3 meter, and when we calculate this we will get the answer 52,002.81 Newton. So this is the answer of our first question. Now what is the second question? That means we have to find out what is the depth of center of pressure. So what is this center of pressure? We will understand this. This is the point of application of total pressure on the surface by the static fluid. So here is the point of application of the total pressure, that is the center of pressure. Now the distance from the free surface of water we will consider here as a h dash. So what is the formula here? So h dash is equal to Ig by AH bar plus H bar. Now this H bar that is already given. A means area that we have already calculated here. Now only the term remaining is that the Ig. So here what is the meaning of Ig? So G is used for the gravity. So here from the center of gravity there is the axis passing through the center of gravity that we have to take. And Ig means moment of inertia about the center of gravity of the area of the surface. So we have to take the moment of inertia about the axis passing through center of gravity. And now what is its a formula? So this is the surface is in the form of circular plate. So its a formula is pi d raised to 4 by 64. So we know what is d, that is given. So when we put value, we will get the answer 0.2484. Now here the d raised to 4. Now d is in meter. So we have to use the unit meter raised to 4. And now from this we can calculate here the h bar. So when we put the values, we will get the answer 3.0468 meter, and this is the answer.